ऋषिकेशं तदा वाक्यम् इदमाह महीपते। अर्जुन उवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत।
This verse describes a crucial moment before the battle of Kurukshetra begins. Arjuna, the great warrior, addresses Krishna as Rishikesha, meaning Lord of the Senses, and asks him to place their chariot in the middle of the battlefield. Arjuna wants to see both armies clearly before the fighting starts. This request marks the beginning of the dialogue between Arjuna and Krishna, which forms the core of the Bhagavad Gita.
यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे.
In this verse, Arjuna asks Krishna to place their chariot in the middle of the battlefield so he can see the warriors on both sides. He wants to observe who has come to fight and who he will have to battle against. Arjuna's intention is to understand the opponents and prepare himself mentally for the upcoming war. This request is part of the larger dialogue that addresses Arjuna's concerns and Krishna's guidance.
योत्स्यमानानवेक्षेऽहं ययेतेऽत्र समागताः धार्तराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेर्युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः.
In this verse, Arjuna expresses his desire to see the warriors who have assembled to fight on the side of the Kauravas, led by the evil-minded Duryodhana, the son of Dhritarashtra. Arjuna wants to understand who is supporting Duryodhana in this battle. This request reflects Arjuna's need to assess his opponents and the motivations behind their participation in the war. This moment is part of Arjuna's larger dialogue with Krishna, where he seeks guidance and clarity about the impending battle.
Sanjay uvacha evamukto ऋषिकेशो गुडाकेशेन भारता सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्.
In this verse, Sanjay, who is narrating the events to King Dhritarashtra, describes what happened next. After Arjuna, referred to as Gudakesha, meaning one who has conquered sleep, asked Krishna to position their chariot between the two armies, Krishna, referred to as Rishikesha, meaning Lord of the Senses, did so. Krishna placed their excellent chariot right in the middle of the battlefield. This action sets the stage for the deep conversation that follows between Arjuna and Krishna.
भीष्मद्रोणप्रमुखतः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्यैतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिति.
In this verse, Krishna positions the chariot in front of the respected warriors Bhishma and Drona, as well as other kings present on the battlefield. He then speaks to Arjuna, who was referred to as Parth, son of Pritha, telling him to look at the assembled Kuru warriors. This moment is significant as Krishna directs Arjuna's attention to his opponents, highlighting the gravity of the situation and the formidable enemies he faces in the battle.
तत्रापश्य स्थितान् पार्थः पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मातुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा.
In this verse, Arjuna looks around the battlefield and sees many familiar faces among the opposing army. He sees his own relatives and close companions, fathers, grandfathers, teachers, uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, and friends. This sight deeply affects Arjuna as he realizes that the battle will involve fighting against his own loved ones, making the situation even more painful and complicated for him.
श्वशुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि तान् समीक्ष्य स कौन्तेयः सर्वान् बन्धूनवस्थितान्.
In this verse, Arjuna, also known as Kaunteya, son of Kunti, looks around and notices that his father-in-law, friends, and other relatives are present on both sides of the battlefield. This sight deeply affects him, as he realizes he will have to fight against his own family and loved ones, which fills him with sorrow and hesitation. This moment is critical as it leads to Arjuna's emotional and moral dilemma about the battle.
कृपया परयाविष्टो विषीदन्निदमब्रवीत् अर्जुन उवाच दृष्टेमं स्वजनौ कृष्ण युयुत्सं समुपस्थितम्.
In this verse, Arjuna is filled with deep compassion and sadness as he looks at the battlefield. He sees his own relatives ready to fight each other. Arjuna addresses Krishna, expressing his distress at the thought of battling his own family and friends. This emotional moment is crucial as it leads to Arjuna's inner conflict and sets the stage for the teachings that follow in the Bhagavad Gita.
सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति वेपथुश्च शरीरे मे रोमहर्षश्च जायते.
In this verse, Arjuna describes the physical symptoms of his intense emotional distress. He tells Krishna that his body is becoming weak, his mouth is drying out, he is trembling all over, and his hair is standing on end. These symptoms show how deeply affected Arjuna is by the thought of fighting his own family and friends in the battle. This moment highlights Arjuna's inner turmoil and sets the stage for the guidance he will seek from Krishna.
गाण्डीवं स्रंसते हस्तात् त्वच्चैव परिदह्यते न च शक्नोम्यवस्थान्तुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः.
Arjuna continues to describe the physical and mental distress he is experiencing. He says that his famous bow Gandiva is slipping from his hand, his skin feels like it's burning, he can't stand steadily, and his mind is in turmoil, spinning with confusion and anguish. These symptoms underline the depth of Arjuna's emotional struggle as he faces the prospect of fighting in the battle against his own relatives. This verse portrays his inner conflict and prepares for Krishna's teaching on duty and righteousness.